Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you've had a long day, a heavy mind, or you simply need a moment of stillness, this space is for you. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. And for the next 10 minutes, let everything else go. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and release it through your mouth again. Breathe in peace and breathe out tension. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Notice how your body feels heavy and supported. You don't need to be anywhere else. You are safe. You are here. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a still, glass-like lake at dawn. The air is cool and fresh. The water mirrors the pale pink sky above. With each breath, you step closer to the shore. You sit down on soft, warm earth. Hear the gentle sounds of birds far in the distance, the soft rustling of leaves behind you. The water is perfectly calm, just like your mind becoming now. Any thought that arises is like a ripple. Watch it form, watch it fade, and return to stillness. Silently repeat with me, I am calm, I am enough. I release what I cannot control. I am at peace. Breathe in deeply, and with every exhale, sink deeper into this calm. Your nervous system is resting. Your heart is slowing. Your mind is clearing. You are safe in this moment, fully, completely safe. Begin to bring gentle awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take one final long, deep breath in and a slow release. Place a hand on your heart. Feel its steady beat. Be grateful for this body that carries you, for this mind that can find peace, for this moment you gave yourself.